Hi there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring a fascinating topic. 7 types of sugar you've likely never heard of. From unique flavors to special uses, these sugars can add a new twist to your cooking and baking. Let's dive in. First up, we have beet sugar. Extracted from sugar beets, this sugar is a popular alternative to cane sugar. It has a sweet flavor with a subtle, earthy undertone. The process includes slicing the beets, extracting the juice, purifying it, and crystallizing it to produce pure sucrose. It's commonly used in baking and confectionery. Next is coconut sugar, made from the sap of coconut palm flower buds. It has a rich caramel-like taste and contains about 17% sucrose. This sugar is considered a healthier alternative due to its lower glycemic index and trace amounts of nutrients like iron, zinc, calcium, and potassium, perfect for baking and sweetening beverages. Demerara sugar is known for its large, light brown crystals and sweet, nutty flavor. This minimally refined sugar retains some of the natural molasses, making it excellent for adding a crunchy texture to baked goods, or as a topping for oatmeal and desserts. Then we have Muscovado sugar, also known as Barbados sugar. This unrefined sugar is made from pure cane sugar and has a rich molasses-like flavor and dark color. It's ideal for adding depth to barbecue sauces, marinades, and rich desserts like gingerbread. Pearl sugar is created by dissolving cane sugar in water and molding it into smooth, pearl-like granules. It's commonly used in baking, especially for making Belgian waffles and European pastries, where it adds a sweet, slightly caramelized flavor and a crunchy texture. Sanding sugar is a refined sugar with large, coarse crystals that are often used for decorating baked goods. It doesn't dissolve easily, making it perfect for adding a crunchy texture and sparkle to cookies and cakes. Next, we have turbinado sugar, also known as raw sugar. This sugar is minimally processed and retains more nutrients from the sugarcane juice. It boasts a light brown color and a mild molasses flavor that pairs well with baked goods and coffee. The production process involves boiling the cane juice and spinning it in a turbine to remove the natural sugars. There you have it, 7 unique types of sugar that you might not have heard of before. Each one brings its own special flavor and texture to your dishes, making your culinary creations even more exciting. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more sweet content. See you next time.